Hi, I am back in Bee Swarm. Last video we got the boots and the electromagnet. Today I'm thinking about getting a new bee for 181,000 and a new backpack and do some quests. So let's get right into it. First, I need 40,000 from the bamboo field. I've learned how to kill spiders. Just run. Ooh, royal jelly. What is that? Go, my bees. Come on, bees. You got this, bees. How fast can I get this? Do 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 do. And we're done. So now the dandelion field. Is this the dandelion field? Yes. I completed Weed Whacker 2. Oh, one more question, then I get it wrong. Collect 100,000 pollen. Dang. How much is it for our next bag? Might as well go through here just to get some extra pollen. Let's go. I need 160. And then I need 650. What? Porto hive. A miniature hive you can wear on your back, instantly converts some pollen. That's a really good bag, I think. I'm gonna get the parachute soon. Scissors, 850,000. Scissors. All of from the patch in front of you, you just instantly get it. Let's go over here. Oh, manta. Dodge it. This is a good place to be, cause, oh yes, cause there's a lot of, like, 3 things. Oh, my Riley bee leveled up. Oh my! But everyone go! Ew. I can get the new bag. I can get the new bag. Dun, dun, dun. 66. It's like I have a jetpack. Compressor. I have a jetpack. I am a jetpack. I am jetpack man. Oh wait, let's get these puff shrooms. Stumped snail. Go my bees! I'm just gonna sit here while my bees attack. Does it actually hit me? Look at my bees! They're slowly getting him down. Focus, bees! Focus! When is exhausted bee doing? Oh, it does that. They're all out of energy! Only my exhausted bees still here. I don't know what you're meant to do here. completed Black Bear's quest. Hey, I got a Royal Jelly. Nice. Cloverfield. That's gotta be for next video. Okay, I got the egg. Where's my hive? Here it is. Drum roll, please. Yeah! Now, let's drum roll. I can't do this with one hand. And, wait, drum roll. A stubborn bee. Rastical bee, no. Hasty bee, no. Yeah! I feel like using one more. Yeah. What have I done? All of my... No. All of my royal jelly are gone. No, my royal jelly, no. Bee quip storage. Alright, see you. It's gonna be that episode of my bee swarm experience.